Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Life is a continuous journey. A journey that will lead us to where we want to be. Success and failures depends on the path we choose. We shared our success and dissected our failures so mistakes will not be repeated. We grew, had fun, and learned together for 6 wonderful years. Tonight is a very special day of our lives. This is to be rejoiced and remembered. This is the time that we will cross the playful years of our lives and start a journey towards maturity and excellence. When one journey ends, another journey begins. We are embarking on another journey, our high school life. I will always be thankful to my mentors, Teacher Alice, Teacher Michael, Teacher Angel, and Teacher Lani, who greatly helped in my undertakings. For their patience and perseverance into molding us to be excellent students. This honor bestowed upon me, I greatly dedicate to my loving parents, Lolo and Lola, aunts and uncles, who greatly gave their unwavering supports in my endeavors. To my teachers, we are truly grateful for your love, supervision, and understanding. To the grading class of 2012, let us all strive towards maturity and excellence. To my fellow graduates, congratulations. Thank you and good night.